I have OnePlus 6 and let me show you how to enter here Crushdump Mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's unlock the screen, let's open here the phone's dialer and let's activate the keypad. Here let's use this code *806#, and as you can see the following information pops up. So if you would like to reboot into edging mode, let's tap OK. And as you can see, this is the Crushdump mode, so you can use it right now, or you can simply quit this mode by pressing the power key. Let me show you how to do it. Let's press power key and wait until your screen goes black. Now you can release power, the phone is restarting. Let me press power key again to turn back on the device. Alright. And now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.